Hey everyone, today we are going to make this cute flower shaped coaster. It's beginner friendly, super easy to follow, and turns out really beautiful. For this project, I am using decor cotton yarn and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let's get started. First, make a magic ring and chain 2. Now, work 15 double crochet into the magic ring. This is our first double crochet, second double crochet, third. Continue adding the remaining double crochet into the ring like this until you have a total of 15 double crochet. Once all the 15 double crochets are done, pull the yarn tail tightly to close the magic ring. Now make a slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round and fasten off. And this completes the center part. Now, for the second round, attach your second color yarn and chain 2. Next, work 2 double crochet into each stitch around. This is basically a double crochet increase in every stitch. This is first increase. I am also crocheting over the yarn tail so it gets secured neatly while working. Continue making 2 double crochet in each stitch all around. Once you finish the round, make a slip stitch into the first double crochet to close it. Now let's start the third round. Begin with 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. After that, work 2 double crochet into the next stitch. This is a double crochet increase. Next, make 2 triple crochet into the following stitch. One more into the same stitch. Then again work 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Now make 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. And finally a slip stitch into the next stitch. And this creates our first petal. Now we are going to repeat the same pattern 4 more times. Let me quickly explain the sequence once again. 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 1 treble crochet increase, another double crochet increase, 1/2 double crochet and 1 slip stitch. Repeat this same pattern around, and while you continue crocheting, don't forget to pause the video whenever needed and crochet at your own pace. Also, if you are enjoying this tutorial so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more easy crochet tutorials and videos. I'll meet you once all the petals are complete. Once you finish the last petal, close the round with a slip stitch. Now moving on to the fourth round, start with one single crochet into the next stitch, followed by one half double crochet. Then work a double crochet increase into the next stitch. Again work a double crochet increase into the next stitch. After that again work one double crochet increase into the next stitch, followed by one more double crochet increase in the next stitch. So total I did 4 double crochet increase. Now make one half double crochet in the next stitch and one single crochet into the next. Finish with a slip stitch into the next stitch. And our first petal is now nicely shaped. Now repeat the same pattern for the remaining petals, that is one single crochet, one half double crochet, 4 double crochet increase, and again one half double crochet, one single crochet, and finally a slip stitch. Repeat this pattern all around to shape the remaining petals. Take your time with this step because this round really gives the coaster its beautiful flower shape. And I'll meet you after completing all the petals. Once all the petals are done, close the round with a slip stitch and fasten off. And now our flower shape is ready. For the final round, attach the third color yarn here and make a chain. Then do a single crochet into the same stitch. Now work 8 single crochet increases along the petal edge. That means 2 single crochet in each stitch. After completing 8 single crochet increases, make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Then do a long slip stitch into the second round stitch right here. This helps separate the petals neatly and gives the flower a more defined shape. Let me show you the pattern once again. After the slip stitch, make 1 single crochet, then work 8 single crochet increases. After that, make 1 single crochet into the next stitch and then a long slip stitch to separate the petals. Repeat the same pattern all around. Once you finish the round, make a final slip stitch to close it. Now fasten off, weave in all the loose ends neatly, and our flower shaped coaster is complete. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.